Bukod sa Filipino community sa Davos, Switzerland, inaabangan na rin ngayon ng mga negosyante at mga pinuno ng iba't ibang bansa ang pagdalo ni Pangulong Aquino. Ito ay matapos na makuha ng Pangulo ang atensyon ng mga ito dahil sa magandang pamumuno sa ating bansa. Narito ang ulat ni Elena Luna.
Nagsimula ng muli ang taunang meeting ng World Economic Forum sa Davos, Switzerland. Ang World Economic Forum ay global community ng mga lider sa negosyo, politika at iba pang larangan na naglalayong mapabuti ang kalagayan ng mundo. Sa unang pagkakataon, makikibahagi dito si Pangulong Aquino.
The biggest impact would be the message that we'll be able to give to the audience in Davos. The Philippines ended 2012 with very good credentials as far as the economic performance of the country is concerned, as far as our campaign on good governance is concerned. So this is basically the message that I think the President will be able to present to the attendees in Davos. There are over 1,600 CEOs who will be attending Davos, the World Economic Forum. And I think the message would certainly be that the Philippines is back in business, that the Philippines is a very strong economic foundation. That basically is we're ready to do business with any country in the world.
Ayon sa ambasador, nakatuon ang atensyon ng maraming bansa sa Pilipinas dahil sa pagpapalakad ni Pangulong Aquino. Ang pagdalo ni Pangulong Aquino sa annual meeting ay magiging pagkakataon para mailahad niya ang mga ipinatutupad na reformang pang-ekonomiya sa Pilipinas.
Maganda ang tingin nila sa ating bansa dahil sa panunungkulan ng ating Pangulo. I think in the last 2.5 years, we have made certainly a lot of inroads as far as transparency and good governance is concerned. Last year was a major, was a historic monument when we, during the impeachment of the former Chief Justice. And of course, we have always said that good governance and transparency will be the main pillar as far as socio-economic development of the country is concerned. And this is certainly taking fruit now. The third quarter, I think we've had 7.1% economic growth. I think we'll be ending up for the whole 2012 with a higher than expected economic growth. And this is basically, I think, a very good message that we'll be able to say during the anti-corruption seminar, that because of the President's strong policy in favor of good governance, we are able to push forward the economic agenda of the country.
Isa rin niya itong magandang pagkakataon para higit pang isulong ni Pangulong Aquino ang PPP o Public-Private Partnership Program ng kanyang administrasyon.
PPP is one of our major projects right now of the administration. And I think this will have a good resonance since the PPP program now is picking up back home. We have approved several projects last year. And the President will be given the special privilege to address this session on PPP and infrastructure. So he'll be able to give the Philippine experience to the attendees in the World Economic Forum of how the Philippines is using the PPP in order to improve the infrastructure development in the country.
Ang dating ng Pangulo sa Switzerland.